What is good, YouTube? So, um, yesterday we ended up taking a loss. Wasn't too bad, and honestly, if we take another one today, I'm not going to be pressed either. Uh, but there is one thing that I want to do because yesterday, even though it might have not been my strategy and it might have just been the markets being trash, um, I don't want to miss big moves, I guess I'm saying. And what I've noticed is once I'm marking out um support and resistance on TradingView, what ends up happening is when I look back at um when I look back at like what's it called? When I look back at Top Step or whatever software I'm on, I tend to realize that my zone is much farther than I thought. So we're going to mark up my charts on TradingView as well, just in case. So I'm gonna put this here, and then if y'all want to see, y'all can see my TradingView. Let me pull it up. Alright. Because I don't want to miss a big move. You know what I'm saying? But what I also don't want either is us to... Do I need to... Alright. Every day some new beefing about my... Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we here with it, but honestly... Oh, actually... Bless me. Thank y'all. So if I don't remember, I think let me go to my trading journal for yesterday. How many 20 micros. Yeah. So I'm doing 2. All right. What I want to see today, and I'm honestly going to be patient and wait for it, is a break. I don't know if I want to wait for the break and retest or a break, rejection, refill. I think I'm just going to wait today. I don't know. We'll see. What I want to see low key, and I'm gonna put my indicator on here, is bullseye breakout. Let's see. Nah, that's not what I was looking for. Bullseye arrows. All right, so we're green on on it says we're bullish on both, but on NASDAQ we're having a candle closure below. Mind y'all, let me see. So we're having a breakout right now of NAS. What I want to see from both is previous high and low, previous day high and low. All right, I'm not gonna lie. Low of day looks so much better. Previous day. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Low of day. Oh, yeah, US 30 just looks so much better. I'm about to show y'all in a second. Give me one move. Look, I'm finna show y'all. Real quick. I got my arrows on TradingView that indicate whether or not we want to go up or down. So honestly, if we break below here, we're probably gonna, drop. So I'm gonna keep this on here so y'all can see. But US 30 looks like it wants to dump. NASDAQ is looking like it's respecting a trend line. But what I don't want, I want to see this retest. Because I'm going to wait for it to break these lows. if we're gonna do that. Yeah, because NASDAQ, they're both showing bullish though. That's another thing. All right. So we're probably gonna miss this because it's gonna respect this trend line. Told y'all my green arrows don't be lying, boy. As goes for NAS, we just retested that zone. And we're probably, honestly, I couldn't tell y'all whether or not we want to go bullish or bearish on NAS, but I would like to see us continue up on US 30. Okay, we're getting some nice rejection. If I do take a short, it'll probably be here. If I take a buy, probably be right there. NASDAQ is pushing up as well. We're kind of retesting that trend line from what we, okay. All right, we just got a green arrow on NAS. Entry right there. I'm not gonna lie, even if we drop, I need to see some volume because I don't like how we're moving. We're kind of just chopping around. The green arrow failed to print. So I'm gonna switch real quick this to here. I want to see how we react to here. And now you see why I wanted to be a little bit patient. Now, if we're going to continue to be in this little zone, I would much rather prefer NASDAQ, but we will have to see. We're looking at 15. Yeah. Oh, and we're respecting. Yeah. I honestly want to see an arrow print. We're really stuck in this range. Nas is respecting this trend line, and US 30 is respecting the trend line too, but is respecting this range. Range, go away, come again another day. Yeah, so what I want to see, no joke, is us close on a 15, because the 15's still not like bad, but honestly, I'm cool with a no trading day, but I know eventually it's gonna break out somewhere. 4682. We're probably not gonna reach high of day, but yeah, Nasdaq is not moving at all, bro. Like, it's been in the same spot. Only thing I'm a little worried about for this breakout is this up here. Okay, NAS is dropping. Yeah, NAS is dropping, but we failed to get a arrow to print, and so is the same thing with NAS or YM. But I would like to see some follow through. Oh, okay. All right, I'm gonna see how Nasdaq closes, because we're having a major rejection, and if we can get some continuation, that'll low key be fire. Okay, we have this little trendy going on. Ah, come on, Nas. All right, we're retesting this quote unquote zone. A flip and drop. That's what I want to see. Hey, come on, Nasdaq. What you doing? All right, hold up. Yeah, we keep rejecting that zone, and I really like that for Nasdaq. Where's previous day low at? Nah. Bruh. Alright. Move. I have a feeling we have 1 minute left, but I have a feeling it's gonna end up breaking out and spiking. But we don't know. If it wants to go, just go. You got 50 seconds left to push up all the way up there. And I know you can do it. 25. Because the one thing I don't want to do is get on a second candle that didn't break above and it be really early. You know what I'm saying? but it's following the trend. So Naz, you got 12 seconds to get up there. You got 6 seconds to break a buck. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Order filled.
All right, US 30 is breaking as well. All right.
Order filled.
Yo, come on, bruh. All right, well, that's it for today. Price is just ranging, my boy. That's it. But, you know, I waited for everything. So today just wasn't the day. Um, Discord. Okay, so if we look, this was yesterday, Tuesday. Today is Thursday. I don't know why it said yesterday. Um, so we banged out on Monday or Tuesday. Ended up losing Wednesday, losing Thursday. Yeah, man. But honestly, can't even be mad at it. I'm not gonna not trade, but you know, the government shut down everything. It's making everything wonky. Let's see what it wants to do, bro. Nah, there's no point in looking at it, bro. Golly. All right. Well, 3-6. All right. So I'm expecting a win tomorrow. If we don't, oh well. Nas. No, I don't want to look at there. My system. Trading journal. Taking a whole bunch of L's, not gonna lie. We took one Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. But luckily today was a little bit smaller loss, so it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Um, 10-16 that 25. Execution was great. Can't even lie. Emotions was great. Execution was great. What is this? Rules? Correct. There's nothing better that I could have done. YM. Yeah, they're all ranging. So I know it's going to break out later, but we don't trade later, and I don't care about later. So, man, today was a good day, bro. Like, I don't even want to trade. That's how bad these markets are. And it's, you see what it is. Let's go look at gold real quick before I end this. Yeah. 8, 8:15, 8:30. 8:45. I like this. See, this was what, 8:30? Watch what happens. It's going to do like this. It's going to go here, and it's going to continue higher if we're truly bullish. Just watch it real quick. Watch it for me. Okay, we're at that zone. If this works out, bro, I might like look to trade this continuation model for gold. Because look, let's just say here targeting. Let's see what that does. I'm not saying this is going to be perfect, but let's see. Feel my heartbeat. And what I'm thinking is, even if we was to get stopped out on this position, even though we're not in a position, once this candle closes, it's going to engulf that candlestick and continue higher. 7:30. All right. Honestly, we're finna be done. Let's see. How do I block somebody on Snapchat chat? to be my friend no more.
I swear to God, this is for real.
Shut up. Look, watch what I told y'all. Yeah, why would he trade a range? Are you dumb? My friend ended up trading the range that we stayed at. Now, mind you, we had a clean break, but yeah, bro. What is this? A 1 to like 2 or something? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we're at a 1 to 3. And I can guarantee you almost we're gonna go hit that 1 to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. See, people are just telling me not to trade gold, but it's like I've seen these patterns so much off of gold. They operate in swing highs and swing lows. And you see we got that 50% retracement with maybe a tick of drawdown. And it just hit our 1, 2, 3, 4, our TP4. And the thing with gold is they're gonna hit TP. Like if you get a trade like this, it's gonna be like this all the time because your stop loss can be so tight. Hey, I like this though. I really do. So what I've noticed with gold, and then I'm done, is we break out. We don't want to take the breakout, but then we want to take the midway of that last leg, wait for that retrace, wait for the pullback a little bit, and then go. Just a warning. Two, 4, 6, 8. And I guarantee you it's going to go hit 10. And I can almost guarantee you. When's the last time we was in a bearish market for gold? Yeah. See, for the most part, gold be trending upwards. Ah, look at me. Yeah, I don't know if I would ever trade gold like indexes or like, but gold futures, I'll stay on gold futures, you know what I'm saying? I just want to see if this is going to hit. Because if so, I do 2 trades every day on gold. Call it a day. We need to make a new high if we're going to continue to be bullish. Yeah, but I like gold because it's so trendy, bro. But what did I tell y'all? It was going to engulf that candlestick and continue to push higher. So I'm not gonna lie, chat. Let me think. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Yeah, I can make off of $300. I mean, it's the same thing with NAS, but these are way tighter. I'm not going to say gold futures is the way out because we're going to definitely take some losses, but I don't know. It just seems so. It just seems so. And I've done this on so many countless funded accounts. Not even funny. Like, you wait for the breakout, you wait for the extension, you wait for the pullback, and you wait for the continuation. All right. And there goes TP 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. TP 6 right there, bro. Exactly what I told you. They react off the levels. Now it's going to close like this and probably continue higher because now it's breaking out. But it's going to do the same thing. So that would have been $1,800 on a day. Let me see something. Yeah, I can't do anything until later, but we'll probably take one on gold tomorrow. I want to see real quick. Man, I'm not saying gold is going to be my breakout, but because all of these are good, but we've been kind of ranging. So any days that this is going to range, I would prefer gold. But if we can get at 1,800, let's just say 300 times 6. We could probably make $1,800 a day. Then across 4 accounts, you know what I'm saying? And speaking of $1,800 a day, I'm going to put a thing on here for tomorrow. Because I'm not saying we're going to win everyone. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying, yeah. I'm just saying. But no, today was a good day. I'm not going to lie. So, all right, man. Life is good. Life is great. I'm gonna try to get a win tomorrow. I didn't want to trade tomorrow, but we'll try some positions on gold. And yeah, peace.